Hey guys, welcome back for another, hopefully, TV repair video. If you're seeing this, it worked. I actually did one, I started a video last month and it didn't work. I was able to fix it, but I couldn't get a hold of the part I needed. It was a new but relatively low-end TV. The control board I needed wasn't available new anywhere. I went through 3 purchases of used parts, 2 of which were the wrong revision. They didn't send me what was in the photos. By the time I got the 3rd one that was the right revision, it was also a defective board, just in a different way. So I scrapped that one and junked it. This one is a 50-inch TCL. This is a 50S45, another basic low-end Roku TV. Got decent ratings though for what it is. It's only worth a few $100 in brand new condition, so I'm not going to throw serious money at it. But if I can fix something relatively cheap, we're going to do it. All I've done so far is start to clean it. You can see how filthy it is. It was either used outside or sat in a garage or something. You can see the dirt line here. I haven't done that side yet. Already did the screen first. No damage to it. I thought it had some marks, but they were just stubborn gunk. Anyway, we're going to pop this open. The complaint is intermittent picture. I don't like intermittent diagnoses because it can be a few things. Hopefully it's something like a loose wire or a cold solder and, something you can fix for free, but I doubt it. This one does have some common issues. Maybe I can replace a component. Maybe it needs a control board, but I need to look up the prices because they're just going crazy these days, and I'm not going to throw $50 into a TV that's only worth 100. So I'm going to finish cleaning and then we'll start to open it up. There we go. I wonder if this is like a car. You ever notice when you wash your car, it runs better? So this is definitely wall mounted. We're missing the VESA mount screws. So it looks like all we have to take off for the control panel access is everything here, noted with the little arrows. 1, 2, 3. Should be something at the top. Maybe not. These could have been it at the top. 4, 5. I don't think these sides will have to come off. It's probably just for speaker access. So everything's probably right under here. I'll have to look up the specs on this. I don't think this is even a local dimming screen. So it's probably just 2 basic boards. We'll see. I think that should do it. I don't see anything else on the side we need to pop. Just want to carefully see if there's any clips. So we are totally loose on the top. That's good. Feels like there's something catching here. Might have to take these off. Not sure yet. Definitely doesn't want to come off, but it's sliding, so could just be a clip. Let me put down the phone. I need 2 hands to really feel this out. Looking a little closer, there are 2 little arrows on these 2 screws here. And we have 3 different size screws. Big ones went in the outermost panel. Medium ones went here and here. And then the little tiny ones, had to break out my precision driver, were these down here. So let's see if it comes off now. Nope. So the trick is you just use 2 hands and without bending it up, keep it flat, just give it a real good yank and the clips come undone. They're just really good clips. And as I already knew, very simple inside, control board, power board. This diode right here is known to go bad on these. I mean, it's just like this systemic thing. If you got one of these models, it will fail. So we can test it real quick with a multimeter and take the board out with just these, looks like 3 screws, undo a couple wires, and with a simple soldering iron and some solder and a new diode, probably just get that replaced for a couple bucks. But let me test it real quick. All right, let's test the diode. What we're looking for is it to hold a value. If it goes to 0, it's shorted. Take the lead off of it again, put it back on, and it is shorted. So that confirms that diode is bad. Let me figure out exactly what value it is, order another one, and replace it. Well, I had to break out the more modern soldering iron because the old Radio Shack only went up to 40 watts and just wasn't hot enough to get through the solder on the board. But we got the old diode off. Got the new one on, just wait for it to cool down. And we'll reassemble, and I think that's going to do it. Now, before I button the back all back up, let's do a quick function check and plug it in. And that's what I like to see. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Perfect picture. So there you go. If you get one of these that has a bad picture, that's just a smudge. Got a lot of fingerprints on there from handling it. If you get one of these with a bad picture, or you find one for free, like I did, and it's got a bad picture, under $10 for the parts. I'll put the link down below to what I used. See ya.